Welcome to today's video, How to Start Collecting Fine Art, a Beginner's Guide. If you've ever wondered how people get started in the art world, whether for passion, investment, or both, you're actually in the right place. Section 1. Why to collect fine art. Now, fine art collecting isn't just for billionaires at auctions. It is actually about building a personal collection that reflects your tastes and supports artists and even can grow in value over time. The art you choose becomes a part of your actual personal story as well as your collection. Section 2. Setting your budget and goals. Before you buy your first piece, decide on your budget. Art can range from a few $100s for just emerging artists to millions, even billions probably, for established names. Ask yourself, are you collecting for passion, for investment, or even just like a mix of both? That clarity will guide your choices. By the way, if you are enjoying this beginner's guide so far, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips on art collecting and creative insights. Section 3. Where to buy art. You don't have to start at Sotheby's. Actually, try local galleries, art fairs, online platforms, or even directly from the artist's studio. Supporting emerging artists can be a much more affordable entry point, and it adds a personal collection to your collection. Section 4. Do your research. Learn about the artists, their background, and the story behind the work. Read exhibition catalogs, follow art magazines, and connect with gallery creators. Knowledge helps you make much more confident choices and avoids very costly mistakes. Section 5. Building your collection over time. Collecting is a journey, not a race. So start small, refine your tastes, and let your collection grow with you. Over the years, you'll see how each piece represents a chapter in your life and interests as well. So there you have it, the first steps to becoming a fine art collector. Remember, it is about passion, patience, and a little bit of curiosity. If you found this guide helpful, do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and follow for more content on art collecting and luxury living. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.